Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can actually create amazing art using Midjourney, the newest AR in the game. So first of all, you need to go into Discord and open up their Discord server called Midjourney. And then you need to go into the newbie section where you can get the pictures from the AI. It is absolutely free, there's nothing there. So the only thing you really need to do is click slash and click on imagine prompt. Then you need to go into down here in the chat system and click art. And then let's just make a Vincent van Gogh painting. And the painting should be town square, just for this tutorial. Let's just say Vincent van Gogh inspired. And when you're done, you can do as many of these tags to help illustrate the AI to make the perfect picture for you or the perfect piece of art. When you're done, you just need to click on enter, and then it's gonna take you about a minute to show you 4 different results, and then you can pick which one you actually want to use. You can also choose to have all 4. They're super duper high quality. There's really nothing there. I will be back when the pictures is actually done. And here you have it. This is absolutely gorgeous. I really like these 4 pictures. They're really cool. If you have any questions about how to do it, please leave them down in the description or in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. I really hope this helps.